Oh wait, we got this. Alright, my bad.
Touch.
The ball drifted to the right.
It's alright, yeah. I'm like, why do you want the force still? Nice. Oh my god. Gross. More.
Fuck!
You were under the ball. Just take it off. Just take it off. Sorry, that was so high. That was so high. Well, I mean, oh! We can talk more after the game. Go back. Tomorrow.
Hey! Look at that hydrant.
I don't know.
I'm trying to toss it higher. I can't even do it. Oh shit!
To the wall.
Good try. Did you feel like a toss you on my second round? Yeah, I was gonna do it. But I feel like I can toss it higher. I just want to toss it
Wasn't even from us.
Huh? I saw you.
Yeah.
Sorry, play right. Let me prevent that from happening. That won't happen anymore. Here, Chase. Run! Ball.
Oh, my bad.
Pull back. Administrative.
Wait, what? Don't walk. Oh. I was gonna commit and then heard you.
I called that like.
Byron, separate one. Look at his cost, remember? Let me take every cost. One. Oh, here. Someone. Yours. Oh. What the fuck? What happened? It went over and then it went back.
No,
Byron reach. Hulk up, Hulk up.
Yeah, because he's trying to net win and now poke you. What is it? 3-2? I get up to 3. Yeah, wait. Have mercy, Byron. I love Hank.
Go, 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 go.
Who? You? I don't know. Who's on the ball? Who's on the ball?
Is that our ball?
I don't know. Oh, no.
God damn it. Wait, was that square?
That didn't look square.
Ah, all right.
You just swung too quick. Yeah, I wasn't quick.
It wasn't square. Oh, watch out. Oh, no.
I feel like without my power.
Oh, up. Oh, no. Nice on.
I had fun.
No, that was good, honestly. I just like, I don't want you to chew on stuff.
I don't know why. Oh no! I was trying to do too many things and I just ended up doing nothing.
Oh no, sorry.
Except for that one. I could have got it, but I didn't know. No, I haven't. more. All right, 0-8. I was totally watching. I was totally watching.
Hey! Out!
Holy shit. Yes.
I want to take a rest.
All right, take a rest.
Basically done at this point.
No, look at him. All right, point. All right. I was like, Byron is so low.
Yeah, it is.
Oh no.
Oh, Jesus! Fuck, my bad. Win.
Oh, just
Oh, the win! Oh,
my fault. That's a strong twirl. Good job, Byron. 2-0. Good.
Byron, what's the score over there?
We're done.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
All right.
Alan, you're resting?
I'm resting.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm gonna be done. You're cutting that?
Leaving.
Oh, just rest.